Welcome to Music and Money Mondays. My name is Claudia. Hey y'all, up on that blow, I know you see me. My new video man, he is so funny. He's so serious all the time. So this is me, this is me being serious. Okay, so welcome to Music and Money Mondays. This is yet another episode where I'm gonna be answering some questions that we got directly from our DMs, either from an email or just something that you guys commented under my post. So let's get started. So this particular question is W-2 versus 1099. Okay, so some of you have some 1099 employees that should probably be W-2 and vice versa. So I'm gonna help you to distinguish which of the two you should have and what are the ramifications of each. So the dreaded W-2 employee. Okay, you guys, it's not that scary. Payroll taxes, for some of you, it feels overwhelming, it's too much, and so that's why you have them as 1099 employees, but that's not even necessary, okay? Continue to pay them the regular hourly rate or however it is that you pay them, but it's okay to go ahead and have the taxes taken out. So if you have a W-2 employee, what does that mean? That means that person reports directly to you. That means that the job that they do, they only do for your organization. So I'll give you an example. I'm an accountant, okay? I perform services for multiple people. So because I am performing services for company A, company B, company C, then that means I am an independent contractor. However, if I work for your organization and I am the accountant for your organization, that means that my 40-hour work week is spent providing accounting services only to your organization. So it's important to kind of keep that in mind because some of you have W-2 employees that are classified as 1099 and they should not be. So another indicator is, does this person have their own business? And having your own business is filed with the Secretary of State's office as either a sole proprietor, an LLC, a corporation, or you have insurances that are under your business's name. So that person may have their own general liability or errors and omissions, or they have something that if they are providing this exact same service for someone else, it goes with the company. It's not exclusive to just that person under your business, okay? So if they are a direct report, they are only working for you, they do not have a business registered with the Secretary of State's office, or they don't have anything else indicating that they are an independent business, then 9 times out of 10, that is a W-2 employee, okay? Conversely, 1099, okay? So we have the 1099 NEC, okay? Non-employee compensation. Emphasis on the non-employee. That means that person does not work for you. So it is imperative that if you do have a 1099 contractor, the first thing you do before you pay them, before you commit to any type of payment, you absolutely need to have a W-9. The W-9 is the form that lets you know that that contractor is acknowledging that they are getting paid from your company. It's also where they're going to give you their social security number and where they're going to give you their business address and other information. I can't tell you how many times at the end of the year it's time for me to prepare the 1099s and the W-2s and we're scrambling to get that information. Well, if you've already paid them and they know that they're about to get a 1099 from you that's going to force them to report income, then 9 times out of 10 they're not motivated to give you that information. So it's almost impossible to get it at the beginning of the year when it's time to give them their 1099. So go ahead, get the W-9 before you cut the first check. Before you make the first payment, make sure you have that 1099 from that the W-9 from that contractor, your 1099 contractor. Once you have that document, you can pay them. How you pay them is up to you. I always say trust, but provide yourself some type of proof. Pay them with a check, pay them through Zelle, Venmo, however you decide to pay them, but make sure you have documented proof. I am absolutely not in favor of cash payments to vendors. It's very easy for them to say that they haven't received it. But if that's the case, go ahead and get a receipt and have both of you sign it. Your 1099 contractors, it's okay to ask them if they have insurance. It's okay to go to the Secretary of State's website, do a quick search and make sure their business is registered and in good standing. If all of those things apply and that person is in fact an independent contractor, then those are your 1099 employees, okay? So if you guys have any more questions, please shoot them in the comments or send them to my email, claudia@jbeckaccounting.com or musicandmoney@biznola.com. Okay? I look forward to answering more questions from you guys. Have an awesome week. Bye.